Hello and a very warm welcome to all of viewers here watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel. My name is Kanabali and I am here with a very interesting video for you guys. And this is about the upcoming Dilip Trophy that will be played this year in the next few weeks. Now, there's a lot of names doing rounds which will be playing in the Dilip Trophy, but कुछ ऐसे नाम भी हैं उस लिस्ट में जो नहीं खेलेंगे इस Dilip Trophy. And I'm not talking about the seniors क्योंकि रोहित शर्मा, विराट कोहली, जसप्रीत बुमराह, रविचंद्रन अश्विन इन सबको आराम दिया गया है. इन सबको कहा गया है कि ये रेस्ट ले सकते हैं, ये वर्कलोड अपना मैनेज कर सकते हैं. लेकिन कुछ यंगस्टर्स ऐसे हैं जिनको इस दुलीप ट्रॉफी के 4 स्क्वाड्स में कहीं जगह नहीं मिली और बहुत नोटेबल एब्सेंटीज हैं. कोई ऐसे नाम है, कुछ ऐसे नाम है जिनको फ्यूचर कहा जाता है इंडियन क्रिकेट का. कुछ इंटरनेशनल ऑलरेडी खेल चुके हैं, अपना नाम बना चुके हैं अलग अलग फॉर्मेट्स में, लेकिन दिलीप ट्रॉफी के लिए उनको सिलेक्ट नहीं किया गया है. स्टार्ट करेंगे हम सबसे पहले नाम से और वो नाम है रिंकू सिंह. रिंकू सिंह जो उन केकेआर के 5 छक्कों के बाद ही गॉट फेमस एंड देन ही वेंट इनटू India's T20I squad, also played few ODIs for India. Unfortunately couldn't make it to the World Cup squad. He was in the reserves, so he's not a World Cup winning player, but he has had a tremendous domestic record. बहुत अच्छा over the years उन्होंने domestic cricket में खेला है, लेकिन shockingly he is not in any of the squads of the upcoming Dilip Trophy. He has scored 3,173 runs at an average of 54.70 in the last in his domestic career. 47 first class matches में उनकी absence जरूर दिलीप ट्रॉफी में खलेगी, and this is something that is creating a lot of sort of a confusion in the fans that why Rinku Singh is not in any of the squads. Another big name that is missing from these 4 squads is that of Sanju Samson. Sanju Samson was part of the India's World Cup T20 World Cup winning team. उन्होंने उसके बाद श्रीलंका के खिलाफ भी T20I खेले, second and third T20I, and he has played 62 first class matches. He has had a good domestic career so far, but shockingly even he is absent from that Dilip Trophy squad. अभी क्या rest है, because obviously fans believe that he should be playing. If the likes of Shubman Gill, Rishabh Pant, these players are playing, then why not Sanju Samson? Prithvi Shaw, now this is a very, this name has been doing rounds in Indian cricket for a long time now. He made his test debut a few years back. He scored a century on his debut, and he won the Ranji Trophy, last Ranji Trophy with the Mumbai team, and he has been doing great in domestic cricket over the last few years. Up and down form आया भी है, नहीं भी आया, लेकिन he has been scoring runs consistently. As of now, he's in Northamptonshire playing the One Day Cup, but his name is again missing from the Dilip Trophy squads, and this is again a big notable absentee from the squads, because Prithvi Shaw is someone, even though he's not been able to make a comeback to international cricket, he is playing his part in the domestic cricket, but this time his name is not there. There must have been some reason, but as of now the fans are confused as of why Prithvi Shaw and the other players are not in the squad. Well, another name is that of Ravi Bishnoi, the former world number 1 T20I bowler, leg spinner as we all call him, the future as fans consider him after Yuzvendra Chahal. The next right arm leg spinner that India needs is Ravi Bishnoi. He's again, even though he has proved his mettle in the T20I format, his name from the Dilip Trophy is missing, and there has to be a reason, because fans believe that this is a place where BCCI obviously expects player to play the domestic cricket, domestic tournaments, all the tournaments that's been played over the whole year, through the whole year. Even if you are on a break, if there's no international cricket, they expect you to play domestic cricket, but Ravi Bishnoi, his name is also not there in the squad. So these players will be missing the Dilip Trophy. And the last name on the list is that of Abhishek Sharma. Now, again, a name that has been doing rounds for the last few months now. हालांकि पिछले काफी सालों से डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट में बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हैं, लेकिन इस साल जो आईपीएल में उन्होंने किया तब से उनका नाम बहुत चर्चा में है. He couldn't make it to the World T20 squad, but then he came back for the Zimbabwe series. Century भी मारी दूसरे मैच में, and he has played 24 first class matches so far, and he has 1,071 runs to his name in those 24 first class matches. But again, his name is also missing from the Dilip Trophy squad. Now, these are notable absentees: Abhishek Sharma, Ravi Bishnoi, Sanju Samson, Prithvi Shaw, and Rinku Singh. What do you guys have to say about about these players missing the Duleep Trophy. Obviously, seniors तो कर ही रहे हैं, जैसे कि वीडियो की शुरुआत में हमने कहा था विराट कोहली, रोहित शर्मा, ये सारे प्लेयर्स को रेस्ट दिया गया है, वर्कलोड मैनेज किया गया है, उनको मना किया गया है और उनको रादर ऑप्शन दिया गया है, अगर आपको खेलना है आप खेल सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको कोई ऐसे फोर्स नहीं कर सकता, आपको कोई जरूरी नहीं है ये टूर्नामेंट खेलना। बट जो यंगस्टर्स है उनमें ये नोटेबल एब्सेंटीज होना बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है, बहुत बड़े सवाल खड़े करता है। व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दिस? प्लीज डू राइट टू अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन डाउन below, and until then please subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, follow us across all our social media platforms. Take care of yourself and have a nice day.